February 15th is just around the corner, and with it comes the deadline for signing up for health care coverage. Here with more on what you need to know and how you can get signed up is Janice Torres with Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Mexico. Good to have you with us this morning.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
It's good that you're here to explain this. I've been seeing the advertisements on TV. Maybe some other folks have too. The deadline's approaching quickly. What do we need to know?
It is. It's approaching. The 2015 annual open enrollment period ends February 15th, and that's the last chance to enroll for coverage in 2015.
So people will not have a chance to sign up for coverage for the year after that at all?
After that date, certain life-changing events qualify for special open enrollment period, like getting married, having a baby, losing job-related coverage.
Makes sense, and if you're familiar with employment coverage too, that might be something that you can add on, right? So it's a very similar situation if you have a life change, marriage or baby. This is an interesting topic because this year is the year that you're starting to have to pay if you don't have coverage, correct?
That's true.
Yeah, on taxes.
That's true. It is the law. The Affordable Care Act requires that everybody has insurance, and if they don't, there could be some penalties, and those penalties could be different for different circumstances.
What is another advantage to signing up for health care besides that, to avoid a penalty fee, right? I mean, that doesn't seem like a complete picture of wanting to get health insurance, right? There are benefits too.
Right. Well, even if you're healthy, health insurance is important. Health insurance offers financial security, peace of mind, and it contributes to good health. Even day-to-day or common medical bills can add up, but if the cost of a major illness or injury can be devastating. So having insurance gives you that peace of mind and helps pay those medical bills.
So if a family signs up before February 15th or an individual, does this cover them for the whole year?
Yes, if they sign up by February 15th, it becomes effective March 1st, and they're covered throughout 2015.
Are there penalties, other than the one that you'll face on taxes, are there penalties in place now for people that don't choose to sign up for it?
There may be penalties, and they differ based on circumstances. So folks need to go out. They can go out to the New Mexico Health Insurance Exchange website at bewellnm.com to find more information.
Blue Cross Blue Shield, of course, is a massive organization, and here in New Mexico, quite a big deal. So what kind of health plans are available for folks that might go on the website? How do they navigate all of this? What is a reasonable way to do that?
Well, there are a number of plans that participate on the New Mexico Health Insurance Exchange, including Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Mexico, and the exchange offers a great opportunity for folks to go out and compare plans, benefit packages, and prices. There are a number of different plans and options available that vary for specific needs. Everyone has different needs and different budgets, so there's just a number of options available.
Is it affordable?
It is. It is affordable. As I mentioned, there's a number of options available to meet many needs and circumstances.
All right, so how much do they typically cost? Can you give us an average on what somebody might face? I guess that probably varies by circumstance, as you're saying, because there are breaks as well if you have certain income levels, right?
That is true. Folks may qualify for subsidies, and that would certainly help defray some of the cost of the premiums. And folks may also qualify for government-sponsored programs like Medicaid.
That's in place for those that can't typically maybe afford health coverage, correct? Mm-hmm. Exactly. So where do people go to get more information on all of this?
I would suggest that the New Mexico Health Insurance Exchange offers great information. That's at bewellnm.com. Blue Cross Blue Shield has a wealth of information on our website, educational materials, different options, and why it's important, and you can go to bcbsnm.com.
That makes sense. What kind of response are you already seeing?
We're seeing a lot of response. Blue Cross Blue Shield has signed up a number of individuals.
That sounds good. And you anticipate more people are going to be signing up here in these last 2 weeks? Do you have a big response planned here in these coming days?
We hope so.
Absolutely. Okay, well, bewellnm.com, good way to go. And then, of course, you can go directly, I imagine, to the Blue Cross Blue Shield website.
Yes,
for New
and
Mexico.
we have an easy way to navigate through our website. It's bcbsnm.com.
That sounds good. Okay, we're going to direct people to KRQE.com as well. We've got a link to your website under the KRQE links. It's an easy resource for folks, too. I want to remind you before we go to break here, APS Mountain Schools closed today due to all that weather out there. I know a lot of us that have come into the studio know it's pretty wet out there. Thank you so much for coming in. It sure is. Appreciate it, and we will be right back. Don't go anywhere.